Powerful tools are available for organizing complex print layout documentation in ARCHLine.XP. Here are some techniques for managing individual drawing sheets in complex printing projects. In this example, the contents of 2 drawing sheets of the project have been updated and I would like to print them. I select these 2 from the list. The names of the drawing sheets are also shown when the tooltip is active. When you have a lot of drawing sheet on printing layout, it can be difficult to select them individually. Essential technique for managing a complex layout is the use of drawing sheet names. Drawing sheet names help you find the required drawing you want on a complex layout. To display drawing sheet names, use the Display Drawing Sheet Names checkbox in the print panel. Click on the drawing sheet name to select a drawing. ARCHLine.XP offers the possibility to print the document in PDF format, or you can use the print panel to print the document directly to the selected device. Another option for creating complex print design documentation is the print queue. Select the drawings that will be combined into a single PDF document. The current job list is at the top of the dialog, and it is empty by default. When a printable task is added, it will be listed in this area. The print queue feature allows you to print selected drawings as a single PDF file. You can use the print panel to choose the paper size, orientation, color management and other settings that suit your purpose. The print queue list is stored by the project, which means you can easily update the PDF if the project changes.